So good morning everyone! Good morning my dearest students! So yes, I'm back. This is Sir Apollo. Panibagong taon. So yan, bago din ang ating background. So starting today, so dito na po ako sa classroom ko mag-record para mas malaki yung ating board and para mas visible sa inyo yung aking mga isinusulat. I am going to make sure na even though the board and the chalk lang tayo, so hindi tayo maboboring while learning mathematics. So, new year, new start, fresh start for the second quarter. Yes, nasa second quarter na tayo and congratulations everyone dahil nairaos natin yung first quarter. So for today's video, I am going to discuss to you the first module, the week 1 module for Mathematics 8. So let's start. So the first module for week 1 in Mathematics 8 is all about linear inequalities in two variables. We are going to differentiate, we are going to illustrate, we are going to graph, and of course, we are going to solve problems involving linear inequalities in two variables. So actually, composed siya ng tatlong lessons, but I think kaya natin siyang i-discuss in one whole discussion. So makinig my dear students. So let us start our lesson. So during the first quarter, so i-discuss ko na sa inyo kung ano ba ang linear equation. So what is the standard form of linear equation? Kung naaalala nyo pa. Naalala nyo pa ba? Okay, so very good. So we have ax plus by is equal to c. So this is the standard form of linear equation. We also have the slope-intercept form. We have vy is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so for our lesson for today, ito rin po yung gagamitin natin. But, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, we are not talking now linear equation. We are going to talk about now linear inequalities. So, ano ba yung linear inequalities? So, from the word itself, of course, inequality, unequal, meaning to say hindi siya equal. So, magkakaroon lang po ng difference sa symbol. Yes, the standard form still the standard form, but the symbol ay mababago na po. Ang gagamitin na natin is the inequality symbols. Ano ba yung mga inequality symbols? Natatandaan niyo pa ba, my dear students? Okay, so we have the not equal symbol. We have the greater than symbol or the more than symbol. We also have the less than symbol. What more? Meron pa ba tayong iba? We also have, yan, okay, the less than or equal to or the, what we call the at most. Ang basa din sa kanya ay pwede rin at most. We also have the greater than or equal to or the at least. Yan, at least, at most. Greater than, less than. Okay, so tandaan nyo yung maigi kasi yan po ang ating mga gagamitin during this whole session. Okay, so alam nyo naman na ata kung anong magiging difference between linear equation and linear inequality. So, pag sinabing linear equation, makikita natin in two variables, makikita natin, of course, the two variables and the equal sign. So, pag hindi natin nakita yung equal sign, inequality symbol yung nakita natin, and nasa standard form siya in two variables. So, therefore, it is a linear inequality in two variables. Say, for instance, we have given 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. This is linear equation, while 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 1. This is what we call linear inequality. So therefore, we have 5 different forms of linear inequality na pwedeng mangyari using the 5 different inequality symbols. So pwedeng mangyari, magkakaroon tayo ng ax plus by is not equal to c. Ax plus by is greater than c. We have also ax plus by is less than c. We also have ax plus by is greater than and equal to c. We also have ax plus by less than and equal to c. Same thing doon sa slope-intercept form na y is not equal to mx plus b. So magiging na rin siyang y is less than mx plus b, y is greater than mx plus b, y is greater than or equal to mx plus b, and y is equal to less than mx plus b. Okay, so we are done now differentiating linear equation from linear inequality. We're also done illustrating linear inequality. So we are now going to proceed on graphing a linear inequality in two variables. Okay. So the graph of linear inequality in two variables is the set of all points on the rectangular coordinate system whose ordered pairs satisfy the linear inequality. So remember that this is our rectangular coordinate system. And in graphing linear inequality, of course, magkakaroon tayo ng line. This is the graph. Natatawagin natin na plane divider. Why? Because it separates the rectangular coordinate system into two regions. Ang tawag natin dito sa taas ay the upper half plane. Ang dito naman po sa baba ay the lower half lane. So, alam niyo naman ang difference ng upper sa lower. So, di ba? So, di ba? So, now, we are going to discuss the different steps in graphing linear inequality. So, ganito po ang gagawin natin, my dear students. Napakadali lamang. So, bibigay ko na yung example, then, step by step natin siya hanggang mag-graph natin yung linear inequality. So, tara! Say for instance, graph y is greater than x plus 4. So, in this case, since this is already in slope-intercept form, so we can graph it using the slope in the y-intercept. So, what is our slope? So, 1, we have the b, or the y-intercept, we have, 4. So, we are going to graph it. Since 4, ang pinakamataas nating points, so hanggang 4 lang tayo. Okay, so 4, y is equal to positive 4, so nandito ang positive, kung natatandaan nyo pa. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, 4. So, here, positive 4.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4.
Okay, so this is the 4. Since our slope is 1, meaning to say, we are going to move what? Upward or downward? Okay, very good. Since positive 1, we're going to move upward. One movement lang or one step. So, nandito na tayo. 1. Since wala siyang denominator, yung ating run, the rise in the run, so meaning to say, ang denominator niya ay automatic, positive 1 also. So, saan tayo tatakbo? Saan tayo tatakbo? Okay. So, papunta tayo ng right since it is positive. But if it is negative, we're going to move to the left. Okay, so 1. So, meaning to say, nandito yung second points. So, graph it. So, ito na ang ating graph. Okay. So, next step, na-graph na natin siya. Titingnan natin ngayon yung inequality symbol kasi po sa linear inequality, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang line. The solid line, which is this one, and the broken line. Ano po ba, sir, yung pinagkaiba ng solid line sa broken line? Ito po ang tinatawag na solid line. Ito naman ang broken line. Diba? Pati sa line, di ba, may broken. So, sana, huwag naman sana all. So, di ba? So, solid and liquid, charot. So, solid and broken line. Okay, so, ang broken line, gagamitin po natin ito pag ang inequality symbol ay greater than, less than rather, or greater than. Yan, broken line ang gagamitin natin. Pag solid line naman, ang gagamitin, dapat ang inequality symbol ay less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So, pag may equal pala, solid line. Bakit, sir? Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng solid line? Pag sinabing solid line, meaning to say, yung lahat ng nadaanan ng ating graph ay part of the solution. Pag sinabi namang broken line, kasi nga diba, greater than, ibig sabihin mas mataas sa or mas mababa sa. Meaning to say, yung nadaanan po na points ay hindi kasama sa solution. Kasi po, sa linear inequality, madaming solution. So, tatanungin ko kayo ngayon, since ang ating symbol ay greater than, ano ang gagamitin nating line? Solid line or broken line? Very good. Okay, so broken line ang ating gagawin. Okay, so nakagawa na tayo ng broken line. So the last thing to do, last two steps pala. So the last two steps, ang gagawin naman natin next is we are going to choose a test point. Sir, para saan po ba yung test point? Preferably, my dear students, ang kunin nyo na lang na test point ay yung pinaka-origin, the 0, 0. Okay? Sir, para saan po ba ang test point? Okay, so yung test point kasi, my dear students, doon natin malalaman if the ordered pairs will satisfy the linear inequality or not. Kasi, pag nasatisfy niya, meaning to say, halimbawa, kumuha tayo ng 0, 0. Hindi niya na-satisfy yung linear inequality, ibig sabihin, yung kabilang half plane ang solution. Pero pag nag-true or na-satisfy niya yung linear inequality, meaning to say, yung region na yun or yung half plane na yun, yun ang part ng solution. Kasi itong buong hati, pwedeng yan ang pwede mong ipalit. Or lahat yan magsasatisfy, lahat yan sagot para dito sa ating problem. So, pag ito naman ang shade nyo sa kabila, lahat ng points na nandiyan will satisfy the given linear inequality. So, ito try natin yung 0, 0. So, yung 0, 0 ay nasa lower half plane. So, ito try natin, magsasubstitute tayo ng 0, 0. So, mas madali kasi yung 0, 0. So, we have here y greater than x plus 4. Then, 0 is greater than 0 plus 4. So, 0 greater than 4. Is it a true or false? Na 0 ay greater than 4. And in other words, ang 0 daw ay mas mataas sa 4. True or false? Okay, very good. That is false. Okay. Since false, yung kinuha natin ng 0, 0, which is the lower half plane, ay hindi po yun ang region na magsasatisfy doon sa ating linear inequality. Meaning to say, the upper half region. So, ang gagawin nyo po sa inyong modules, sa inyong sagot, sa inyong graph, pwede kayong gumamit ng crayon or any coloring material para ma-shades nyo yung region na yun. So, meaning to say, itong region na to ay isi-shade natin. Kasi, ito yung sagot. So, lahat ng points sa upper half plane will satisfy the linear inequality y is greater than x plus 4. Okay, yun lang po. Ganun lang kadali. So, another last example para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay, so for our second and last example, we are going to graph x plus y less than or equal to 6. So pag ganito po ang given, hindi siya nakaslope intercept form, of course, we are going first to replace the inequality symbol to equal sign. So we have x plus y equal to 6. Okay, then we are going to assume, di ba? Pati dito mag-a-assume tayo. So we're going to assume the value of x and the value of y, tulad ng ginagawa natin dati. So say for instance, if x is equal to 0, so magiging siyang x plus y is equal to 6. We have here 0 plus y is equal to 6, meaning to say y is equal to 6. So if y is equal to 0, so x plus y is equal to 6, x plus 0 is equal to 6, so x is equal to 6. Meaning to say, may nabuo tayong dalawang ordered pairs. So we have 0, 6, and the x is, lagi mauna, x, 6, and 0. Okay. So 0, 6, 6, 0. So let us now graph it on the rectangular coordinate system. Since 6 ang pinakamataas natin, so yun ang gawin natin pinakamataas sa point. Okay. So 0, 6. The y is 6. Nandito ang y na positive 6. So, dapat mamaster nyo, my dear students, yung pagpa-plot. Kasi kung hindi kayo marunong mag-graph, mag-plot ng mga ordered pairs, so mamamali at mamamali kayo. So, naintindihan. So, i-review nyo yon kung paano. You can review it doon sa ating mga past lessons. So, 6. Ang x natin, this is the x, this is the y. Ang x natin ay 6. Ang y natin ay 0. So, meaning to say, we have here 6. So, i-graph na natin siya. Solid or broken line. Okay, so solid ang gagamitin natin since our symbol here is less than or equal to. Okay, so solid line. Meron na tayo ng lower half plane. Meron na din tayong upper half plane. So, next thing to do, magkakaroon na tayo ng test point. So, sabi ko, gamitin nyo na lang yung origin, which is the 0, 0. Okay, so gamitin na natin yung original equation, hindi yung pinalitan natin ng equal sign. Okay, so we have x plus y less than or equal to 6. We're going to replace the x and y by 0. So 0 plus 0. So 0. So 0 is less than or equal to 6. Tama ba? Less than 6 ba? Mas mababa ang 0 sa 6? Okay, very good. Yes. So meaning to say, this is true. So since totoo, na-satisfy niya yung equation, ano ang isi-shade natin? The lower or the upper? Okay. So since ang 0, 0, ang origin ay nasa lower half plane at siya ay nag-true, yun na mismo ang isi-shade natin. Yung buong lower half plane. Pero pag nag-false siya, of course, yung kabila naman ang gagamitin natin. So, para maayos nyo yung pag-shade, you can put this on a frame para mas maganda yung pag-shade ninyo. So, this is now the graph of x plus y less than or equal to 6! So, naintindihan, my dear students? So, I hope nakakasunod kayo. Kung hindi man kayo nakakasunod, so this is a recorded video. So, pwede niyong balik-balikan. So, sana all nababalikan. So, in solving worded problems, so my dear students, hindi ko na siya sa inyo i-discuss yung solving problems involving two variables kasi this needs analyzation. So, depende kasi yung solution sa given. So, lagi niyo lang po tatandaan na pag nagsosolve kayo ng worded problem, analyze. Meron naman diba yung step by step, kung ano yung given, kung ano yung representation. Mababasa nyo naman dyan sa sentence kung ito ba ay sinabing greater than, less than, at most, at least, maximum, minimum. So dapat alam nyo yung corresponding inequality symbol ng mga words na binanggit ko. Para pag nagkaroon kayo ng representation ay mas madali na lang sa inyong ma-solve yung equation. Kasi, sa solving worded problem, that is just the same with this one. yung ginagawa natin. Almost the same lang siya, hindi lang siya ginagraph. Depende kung hingiin sa inyong i-graph. Pero kung ano lang yung hinihingi, hanggang doon lang po yung dapat yung ibigay. Diba? So, dapat wag ibigay yung hindi naman inihingi. Sabi, wag niyong kakalimutan yung mga keywords doon sa given sentence. Questions, clarifications? So, if you have questions and clarifications, kung meron kayong hindi naiintindihan, ano man akong nakalimutan or hindi napansin, na-confuse kayo, so you can chat me sa aking Facebook account, Jose Apollo Istorowi Vibor, or you can comment sa ating video na ito para mas maintindihan at para mas maipaliwanag ko sa inyo. Kasi tao lamang tayo, I am just a teacher, so nagkakamali pa rin naman tayo. Kasi minsan, kahit anong double check natin, minsan talaga meron at merong tayong hindi na papansin. So with that, so thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much dahil umabot kayo hanggang dito sa last part ng ating video tutorial. So thank you so much my dear students. So I hope everyone ay makakasagot na ng kanilang module at alam ko na kayang-kaya nyo yan. So with that, God bless everyone. Goodbye. See you sa next video natin.